Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. In today's episode, we will talk about GIK GigCapital3 Incorporated, ticker name GIK. And for the GIK, the most important to note is that from the middle of January, we saw the top price section being above 17, and now we're in the decline. But looks like we are now about to finish the decline because we have first of all already reached the previous levels of the trade, which was about 10. So we are back to the major baseline that was formed there, just a little bit lower than 10. It was formed there during the previous half year from the summer towards December. And the second important thing is that we are having already, let's say, on declining waves. The next wave is close to the previous one, and moving average 20 is about to actually bend upwards. And once this is taking place, we will pierce it with the price, and it should go then and test at least moving average 50, the blue line being at that moment as a temporarily resist level. So with this being said, still to remind you that we have two moving averages here. Green and blue line being moving average 20 and 50. On the left you see their legends. We don't have moving average 200, not enough time yet to form here, and so there is no red line at the moment. At this situation, it's very volatile still, but it's very bullish, so the rebounds might take any moment, and it's actually a very simple play here without too many levels to enter. And the first one would be just to buy at the current price between 11 and actually the lower 10.20, which will be actually within the body of the 1 day ago white candle, because this is also very volatile stock and you will have the chance to buy at the nice positions due to volatility there. So with this being said, it's 10.20 to 11 to enter in the first level. And then with some volatilities, which might take a little bit time, it's expected to pierce higher. And then at least 13 is the channel. But in general, you could see that this descending channel is now broken. The channel R1 is now broken. And we are bottoming, so we are forming a new channel. So there is a deceleration in the decline. You can call it R2. And these are usually very fast and short channels, so they return and go higher. So we are in the pivoting point for return. The same is confirmed by actions of moving average 20. And yeah, so this should be quite nice to rebound. Also, if you look at the upper part of the descending channel, once we actually break it, once moving average 20 will touch it, there will be a major actually price action towards SMA 50, as I just said. So this being R3. And overall, so this makes very positive possibility to enter here and making profit. Speaking of profit taking, it's 10 to 15% because these are not that big scales in the volatility, although it's volatile, but let's say the relative change of the price during several days is not that huge. So taking profit 10 to 15% is advised here, and whenever you have it, just take it, then re-enter if needed, or try other opportunities. Also, you can find many of those at our channel. Other videos even up to 5 weeks ago uploaded are still okay to watch, because situation discussed there, especially for lower levels of entry, could be just happening and you could be just in time to enter and make a profit. And really take the profit taken is taken indeed. Until you press the sell button, there is no profit actually. So take it and enjoy, re-enter. Never try to become rich from one trade. This is usually not possible. So this is the way to trade. Still some volatility might be on the negative direction, which is not really expected, but it could be happening. And then anything, if it goes a little bit lower than, actually in this case 980, would be again immediate buy. Quite simple here on this stock, because it's already quite low. These are rare cases when you don't need to think too much, let's say, and expect any further declining action. So this would be the second area to enter, and then you can just again buy and make the rebounds here. And the profit to 10 to 15% is quite safe trade at the moment. For those who are more for midterm trade, let's say, it's more interesting position, because you could sit on it a little bit longer, and then it is expected to return to this channel, to this actually rectangular channel, and the price, once it's there, especially the higher levels, you could make even more profit. But this is for midterm traders. If you're a daily trader, 10 to 15% it's advised. And speaking of how non-linearly average down, it's still very classical 1, 2. We don't have third one because not really expected to happen at the moment, at least before taking that profit. So this is the trading card, the current position, GIK. On the left you see the numerical one, on the right you see the graphical. You can print screen it, copy it, save it, and use it as a trading card, as a guidance for this position. And that's it, actually a very short video for this one. Good luck with it. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Please press the bell button. This way you will not miss our new videos and new interesting discussions for US-based stocks.